Morning one and all. Now in our previous lecture we have done practice set 2.1 question number 1, 2, 3. Now today we will start main question number 4. So student, main question number 4 in figure 2.8. This is the figure 2.8. Side of angle PQR and angle XYZ are parallel to each other. That means two sides of this angle XY, XZ and PQQR are parallel to each other. PQ is parallel to XY and QR is parallel to YZ. Prove that angle PQR is congruent to angle XYZ. That means PQR or XYZ are congruent to each other. Student, mostly समटाइम्स फिगर में हमको कुछ कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ता है, तब जाके हम कुछ प्रूव कर सकते हैं. हियर ऑल्सो इस फिगर पर हम अपना प्रूफ नहीं सॉल्व कर पाएंगे क्योंकि ये फिगर थोड़ा सा इनकम्प्लीट है. सो वी विल एक्सटेंड लाइन एक्स वाई और पी क्यू and do the sum easily. Student, in this question we will use corresponding angle and find out the solution. Here I am extending side xy. Student, जब भी हम कुछ कंस्ट्रक्ट खुद से करते हैं तो उसको डॉटेड लाइन से डिनोट करते हैं. तो हियर ऑल्सो आई हैव ड्रॉ दी extended line xy with dotted line and this xy is intersect the side QR. So student, angle Q and angle Y. Here in this question we want to prove that angle Q and angle Y are congruent to each other. So here in this figure I have extended line QY or XY and also PQ or QR. So here this and this angles are equal by the corresponding angle forming F shape or taking same position. Here this Q angle or this angle are equal to each other by corresponding angle. So if we rotate the figure, so we got QR is parallel to XY and QR is parallel to YZ and XY is a transversal if I take. So Y angle and this angle are congruent to each other by corresponding angles. So student, if observe the figure carefully, Q angle and this angle are equal by corresponding angle and forming F shape. Okay, so this Y angle and this angle are also congruent to each other by corresponding angle. So if the new angle is congruent to both angle Q and Y, so we got our old angle Q and Y are also congruent by corresponding angle. So student, this question is not difficult, it is easy, but the figure is little bit difficult. So student, observe the figure carefully and try to understand what I am saying to you. This angle and this angle are congruent by corresponding angle. This or this also congruent by corresponding angle. That means this new angle is congruent to both angle Q and Y. Suppose this new angle is 30. So angle Q is also 30 and Y is also 30. So Q and Y is both are getting 30. So we can prove Q and Y is also congruent to each other. Hope you people can understood the figure well. So let us start with solution. Construction. Extending, because I have extending the line xy, that's why I am writing extending segment xy such that this xy is intersect QR. So I will write such that it intersect ray QR with this point, and here no name is there. So suppose this is S QR at point S. Now QSR are collinear, so we will write QSR is collinear and Q dash S dash R. This is the symbol of collinear, and XYS is also collinear, so we will write bracket X dash Y dash S. सो दिस इज़ आर कंस्ट्रक्शन. कंस्ट्रक्शन मीन्स हमने जो खुद ने किया हुआ है फिगर में उसको लिखते हैं. नाउ कम टू द प्रूफ. सो प्रूफ पी क्यू इज पैरेलल टू एक्स वाई विच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. एंगल पी क्यू आर एंड एक्स वाई जेड आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. सो वी विल राइट line PQ parallel to line XY given. Line PQ parallel to line XY which is given. That is, if PQ and XY is parallel to each other, but I have extending the line XY, so PQ is parallel to XS also. So we will write line PQ are parallel to line XS. Got it everyone? Now QR and YZ is also parallel. First of all, I will take the bigger angle PQR, and first of all we will prove PQR is congruent to XSR. Now here I will take QR as a transversal. PQ and XS is a parallel line, and QR I will take as a transversal and prove the corresponding angle Q or S are congruent. So PQ parallel to XS on transversal QR. So angle PQR is congruent to angle XSR by corresponding angle forming F shape or taking same position in the figure. By corresponding angle I will give which is 1. Now student, we have take one angle and prove the one angle Q or S are congruent. Now similarly we can solve the another angle and prove Y or S are congruent by corresponding angle, same as it is. So students, we will write line XS is parallel to line QR. Here student, typing mistake was there. XY लिखा हुआ है, बट XY की जगह आपको YZ लिखना है. Line YZ is parallel to line QR and I will take the transversal XY on transversal XS. Line YZ is parallel to line QR or on transversal XS. So here student, XYZ angle XYZ is congruent to angle XSR. Angle XSR by corresponding angle forming F shape or taking same position in the figure. Let us observe the figure carefully. Y or S is forming F shape or taking same position in the figure. So that's why XYZ are congruent to XSR by corresponding angles. Here we will give as our second. Now student, we will compare first and second. So we will get the common angle XSR or second also XSR. If XSR is congruent to XYZ and PQR, so student, PQR is also congruent to XYZ. So student, we will compare the both situation. Here XYZ is congruent to XSR and here XSR is common in both the equation, in both the situation. So PQR is also congruent to XYZ. So from 1 and 2, From 1 and 2, we can say that PQR is also congruent to X, Y, Z. Here our solution has completed. We want to prove that PQR is congruent to XYZ. So we have proved PQR is congruent to XYZ. First of all, we have extending the ray or line or segment XY as a XS, and in a proof we will take first PQR and prove that PQR and XSR are congruent by corresponding angle. Now in a second we will take XYZ or prove that KXYZ or XSR are congruent by corresponding angle. Then we will compare and got the answer. Hope you people can understood. First of all, you people will write the question, draw the diagram and write down the solution.